Segment 1. Entering the shop, choosing an item. Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What are you looking for today?
I am looking for a shirt.
Okay. We have many shirts.
That is good.
Is it for work or for daily use?
It is for daily use.
I see.
I want something comfortable.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Light blue or dark blue?
Dark blue, please.
Okay. Please follow me.
Sure.
Here are our dark blue shirts.
Thank you. Can I see this one?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. This looks nice.
Yes. It is a popular style.
What material is this?
It is cotton.
Is it good for hot weather?
Yes. It is very comfortable.
That sounds good.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
What size do you need?
I need a medium size.
Okay. Here is the medium size.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Where can I try it on?
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Take your time.
I am back.
How is it?
It fits well.
That is good to hear.
I like the color.
Yes. Blue looks good on you.
How much is this shirt?
It is $30.
$30.
Yes.
Is it expensive?
A little, but the quality is good.
I see.
The material will last long.
Do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, we do. Let me show you another option.
Okay.
This one is also blue.
It looks similar.
Yes, but the material is different.
What is the price?
This one is $20.
That is cheaper.
Yes.
Can I see it?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I try this one too?
Yes, you can.
I will try it on.
Sure.
I am back again.
How does it feel?
It feels okay.
Is the size good?
The size is fine.
That is good.
Which one do you recommend?
The first one is better quality.
But it is more expensive.
Yes, but it will last longer.
I understand.
It depends on your needs.
I wear shirts every day.
Then quality is important.
That makes sense.
Take your time to decide.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I want to look around a little more.
No problem. Please let me know if you need help.
I will.
Segment 2. Size, color comparison, preferences, detailed evaluation. Are you ready to try more options?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to try a different size?
Yes, please.
What size do you want now?
I want to try a large size.
Okay. Here is the large size.
Thank you. I will try it on.
Sure.
I am back.
How does it feel?
This one feels a little big.
I see.
The sleeves are too long.
Yes, it looks a bit large.
I think the medium size is better.
I agree. Would you like to try another medium size?
Yes, please.
Here is another medium size.
Thank you. This one fits better.
That is good. Do you want to try a different color?
Yes, I do.
What color do you want to see?
I want to see black.
Okay. We have black here.
Thank you. This black one looks nice.
Yes. Black is very popular.
Is black easy to match with clothes?
Yes. It matches many styles.
I usually wear jeans.
Black goes well with jeans.
Do you have white as well?
Yes. We also have white and gray.
Can I see the white one?
Of course. Here is the white one.
Thank you. This one looks clean.
Yes, but it gets dirty easily.
That is true.
Many people choose black for daily use.
I think black is better for me.
Good choice.
Is the black one the same price?
Yes, it is the same price.
Which color do you sell the most?
Black and blue.
That makes sense.
They are easy to wear.
Can I compare the two shirts again?
Yes, no problem. This one is cotton.
And the other one?
The other one is a cotton blend.
Which one is better?
Pure cotton is more comfortable.
Is it softer?
Yes, it feels softer on the skin.
I can feel the difference. This one feels lighter.
Yes, it is more breathable.
Is it good for long days?
Yes, very good.
I work all day.
Then comfort is important.
I agree.
Many customers choose this one for work and daily use.
Does it shrink after washing?
No, it keeps its shape.
That is good to know.
You can wash it in cold water.
Is it easy to take care of?
Yes, very easy.
I do not like clothes that need special care.
I understand.
This one feels strong.
Yes, the stitching is good.
How long does it usually last?
With good care, it can last a long time.
That sounds good.
It is good value for the price.
I like this shirt more now.
I am glad to hear that.
Between blue and black, which do you recommend?
For daily use, black is better.
I think so too.
Black also looks neat.
I feel confident wearing this one.
That is important.
Comfort and color are both good.
Yes, this one suits you well.
I think I am close to a decision.
Take your time.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Segment 3. Bargaining, final decision, payment, receipt, shadowing. Have you decided?
I think so.
Which one do you like?
I like the black shirt.
The cotton one?
Yes, the cotton one.
That is a good choice.
I feel comfortable wearing it.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, but I have a question.
Sure.
Can you give me a better price?
Let me check the price.
Thank you.
This shirt is good quality.
I understand.
The regular price is $30.
Yes.
Today, we have a discount.
That sounds good.
I can give you a small discount.
Thank you. How much is it now?
It is $28.
Is that the best price?
It is a good price.
Can you reduce it a little more?
I am sorry. I cannot reduce it much. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I can give you a final price of $26.
$26. That is better.
Yes. This is the final price.
Is this the best price today?
Yes. This is the best price.
Okay. I will take it.
Great. Would you like one piece or two pieces?
I will take one piece.
Do you want to buy anything else?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay. Please come to the counter.
Sure.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by cash.
Okay. The total is $26.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Let me count the money.
Okay.
The payment is correct.
Good.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here is your bag.
Thank you.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, I need a receipt.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Please check your item.
Everything is fine.
If you have any problem, you can come back.
That is good to know.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. I am happy with my purchase.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Shadowing practice. Can you give me a better price?
Can you give me a better price?
This is the final price.
This is the final price.
I will take it.
I will take it.
How would you like to pay?
How would you like to pay?
The total is $26.
The total is $26.
Do you need a receipt?
Do you need a receipt?
Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Final shadowing.
I like this shirt. Can you give me a better price? Okay. I will take it. I would like to pay by cash. Thank you very much. Goodbye.